In this video, I'm going to walk through how to widen a column in Excel. I'm using Office 365 Excel on a computer running Windows. The process is the same on a Mac. If hashtag is in a column, that column needs to be widened. The data is there, but it cannot fit in the column as it is currently. In our example here, the dates in column A cannot be displayed because the column is not wide enough. Move the cursor between columns A and B, hold down the left mouse button, and drag to the right to widen the column. When you position your mouse between the two columns, you will see the cursor change to a double-headed arrow. Once the cursor changes into the double-headed arrow, you can drag to the right to widen the column to the desired column width. Column A now displays the dates after widening the column. Alternatively, you can double-click the line between the A and B column header and it will expand automatically to accommodate the widest item in that column. That's it, we are done. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Sell-Tietz and is part of the Excel Skill Builder video series. See accountingisanalytics.com for additional faculty and student resources.